So, hi everyone. Today I'm going to discuss about how to design a YouTube for a system design interview question. This is the one of the question the interviewer was asking in some of the top tech company. So I am also taking up this challenge and what I have information, just what I go through that. So I'm discussing here and let's start on that. So for the designing YouTube, what I think nowadays everybody know what is a YouTube and what is the functionality on that, how the system design, or what is the behind code behind I can say for the YouTube. So as we all know, like YouTube is a one of the most popular video sharing platform, and it allow user to upload, watch, search, and share video based content. It also provide feature to like, dislike, and comments to video etc. So overall, YouTube is a huge system. But have you ever thought like about how YouTube works and underlying the principle behind that functionality? So let's start on that in the detail. There's a lots of functionality, but I am just approaching some fundamental which right now everyone is like using most of that. So before approaching the question, we have some question over there, like there's a key concept or there, functional and non-functional requirement for designing the system. So functional requirement I can say comes for the YouTube is user should be able to upload video, user should be able to view the video, user should able to able like change the video quality, and the system should also keep the count of like, dislike, comment, and views to present these numbers to users. It is comes under the functional requirement. Then coming to the non-functional requirement, like video uploading should be fast and user should have a smooth streaming experience. Then like system should be highly available, scalable, and reliable. We can compromise with consistency to offer high availability. So it should be fine if a user sees there's a slight lag in the video data. And there's also like the system should offer a low latency and high throughput. This comes under the non-functional requirement. And the system should be cost efficient I can say. So these are the question, or this is the statement we have in our mind when comes under the like bifurcating functional and non-functional requirement. So I can say capacity estimation and system constraint is a key concept. Basis on that, we are designing our system, like how many user are coming to use this, how many request is coming per second, per hour, per day. According that, our system should be available and have to be uptime. I can say. So I just taking some of the data for the say demo purpose, and I'm just elaborating here. So let's assume like total user on the YouTube we have a 2 billion, and daily active user we have a 400 millions, and the number of video watch per day or per user by 5. So total video views per day we have like 400 million active user into 5 this user. We have multiply both number and we are getting the 2 billion views per a day. So YouTube would be a view heavy, read heavy system I can say. Suppose upload to view ratio, read to write ratio is a total video uploaded per day is a 2 billion. 100 is equal to 20 million videos upload per day. So suppose the average video size is 100 MB, so total storage needed per day is like 20 million into 100 MB equal to 200 TB. So here we ignore the video compression and replication, which would change our estimate. So this is the like mathematical constraint while creating the system for the YouTube. So according that we have to be think about that how we can provide the algorithm, how we should have to design the system, so they can handle the system should be handled to this type of request. And architecture as a high level I can say I given here, like we have a like end user, then it uploads, search, view content over in the web server, then we have app server, then it is going the processing queue, and we have a like user database, metadata database, and this is the video and thumbnail storage. So these are the like storage capacity which we are bifurcating and storing the data as per their services request is coming over there. So when we are creating the API services for this type of request, and I can say I have this video uploading API. On that I just created one method like string upload video. So on that we have like this type of key parameter, I can say parameter, while sending the request to our server. Like I can say string upload video, this is the method, and we are passing the parameter on that like API key, then video data, string video title, the data type I can say string, all this given here, then video description, video category, video tag, video language, video location. So this is the key parameter for uploading this video, and this is the like function I can say. And as you know, like API keys are like identification of the registered account purpose. We are creating video data to upload video data, video title, the title of the video, then video description, description text of the video categories under the like sports, education, etc. We are bifurcating on that. Then video tags, a list of tag for the video, then the language of this content like English, Hindi, Marathi, etc. And this video location, it is like in which region or in which country this the content is uploaded. Similarly, we have like streaming process. So on the stream also we are just creating one method again for the same API like view video. On that also we are passing the some key parameter, API key, string video ID, int video offset, string codecs, and string video resolution. So these are the parameter like API key, I can say again identification of the register account, video ID is like identifier for the video, then video offset is the time from the start of the video, like we are using the string purpose, so which enable user to watch a video on us from the same point where they left off. And codecs like the video compression standard to compress the large video content into smaller sizes for the efficient video compression algorithm to facilitate this process. We send the client code into the supports play pause for the multiple devices. Then next we have a like video resolution. We also send the client resolution detail because different device may have a different resolution. So that's why like when we are streaming from the phone or from the iPhone, or I can say from the laptop or the Windows desktop, so according to the resolution should be shifted on that. So that's why this is also the key concept while creating this function. So all this method, all this parameter we have to be keep in mind for designing the system for the YouTube. And it is like metadata scheme, you can see is video metadata, user meta, it is like two table we have. For the video metadata one of the table, then user metadata one of the table. I can see in the video metadata we have a ID, title, description, size, thumbnail, uploaders, like count, dislike count, views comment. And in the user table we have a ID, username, email, video size, address, age, registration details. So these two tables I can say majorly working as a end user to the server side, I can say, which is reaches over there. So coming to the like sharding and metadata sharding is like one of the way of scaling a relational database beside the master slave architecture. So in the distributed our data across the multiple machines so that we can perform read and write operation efficiently. Instead of single master handling the write request, it could be done on various sharded machine on this slide performance. We can also create separate replica to improve redundancy and throughput. So sharding can increase the system complexity, and we need an abstract system to handle the scalability of the manageability challenges. So this requirement led to the development of VITAS. And if you're not aware about the VITAS, please search on the Google, you just get the more information on that. And after this, we also have a like catching over there and disaster management strategy. So these two, I think you already familiar. If you're not familiar, if you need discussion on that, if you know the answer on that, so please comment it down. I will try to give the proper answer as per my experience and as per my level. I can say best of my I can say. And that's it for the today. And I think you like on this. And if you have any question, any query, please comment it down. I will be trying to help you over there to give the answer. Thank you.